what is cloud computing under a minute. Suppose you want to work in another city. So your first priority will be to do your job. So instead of buying a whole new house, you can prefer to rent one house. Similarly, a base level company or a base level startup need to have the IT resources and the server to store and manage their data. So instead of buying and managing their own server, they can rent it from a third party companies or a third party cloud provider like Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform. So they don't have to manage anything and they can pay as per their requirement. So now onwards, if you ever get confused that what is cloud computing, think like that cloud computing is nothing more than renting a house. For more technology and education related videos, you can subscribe to Eternal Guru.